forward. Thank you very much. See, I got the camera right.
Yeah,
they didn't even point to it.
No, we're on top of things today.
Let's do this.
I'm ready.
All right, Doug, you're a comedian.
Good. Yes.
You look good?
I look really good. Sorry, I just caught a ADD.
You forgot to shave this morning?
No, I like it. Yeah, not shaving.
Just like
Adams
that?
look. Yeah.
Yeah,
you don't think it's cool? Like,
no, I do. I think that all boys should have scruff on their face.
Well, no, all boys do. I look like a boy?
Well, everybody's a boy. There's all boys, but no, seriously.
What?
My hair is getting cut on my mic, but
no,
seriously, I think all boys need hair on their face.
No, like my whole thing was I want to start growing out a beard because.
Because you were a kid.
Well, no, because I look like I'm 8. Like otherwise, and people don't take me seriously anyway, and that's the point of me. But like that's my job. But like it was weird because like you look more stoic, you know. And so I was like, I can grow out a beard.
Stoic.
So you look more stoic. Well, like it feels cool when you do this. So you look stoic when you do this. It looks really cool. But if you do it to another guy's beard, creepy. That's what that is. So that's why I was like, I'm gonna grow my own beard because otherwise there's lawsuits and stuff.
So you're like not even 30 yet.
Yeah, 29.
Quite young, and you've been doing comedy for how long? And where are you from?
I'm from Austin, Texas. I've been doing this for 5 years. 5 long, hard, easy piece. Actually, I'm a genius. It's been easy. It's been an easy road.
Well, look at you've got a look
at notes.
Can I camera move into his hand? He wrote that on there 3 days ago, and he doesn't remember what that
No,
is.
a day ago.
Still.
I'm a dirty comedian. But like I'm actually a clean comedian, but I just happen to be filthy. Texas, yeah.
That was where you're from.
Yeah.
You decided to be a comedian. You went to open mic night, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just jumped right in. I was like, you know what? I'm funny. I should be paid for this. And because my other jobs didn't like it so much. And so they're like, hey, you know what? You're fired. You're a jackass. But yeah, I was like, I might as well be making money off of how good I am at what I do, you know?
So are you that good?
I am brilliant. You've never heard of me before? Like, what's going on?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Say something funny.
Oh, dear goodness. That wasn't very funny. Tofu Ninja Turtle something. Nothing.
I got a joke
that was
for you.
bad.
Do you want to use the joke?
No,
Did you hear my joke? Did you hear my joke I said earlier out there?
That was pretty rough. I don't know if
What do you call a piece of cheese that doesn't belong to you?
Oh, yeah. Nacho cheese. Yeah, that was pretty good.
You going to use that tonight?
I'm going to use it. It's my opener and closer. I'm going to open and close with it. Thank you so much.
All right, so tell us a little bit about you. Like, what made you, did you watch, Johnny Carson, or, what made you want to be a comedian?
I'm 29. That was a million years ago. No.
Okay, were you watching SNL or?
Well, no, actually, that's where I started.
Color?
I watched SNL, and I wanted to do like sketch comedy and like, or just something along the lines of stand-up. And actually, like when I was a kid, we used to do sketch shows for our family, me and my brother. And then we'd always close with Hans and Franz, and then so we'd do, I am Hans and I am Franz. And I recently worked with Kevin Nealon, and I was like, hey, you don't want to be like unprofessional, but I asked him, I was like, hey, can you
do this with me?
Yeah, and he did it with me, and so it was like the best Christmas gift, like this video to my family of me like full circle career-wise.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it was really cool. But yeah, but I got into stand-up. Mitch Hedberg, he was like my absolute favorite. Stephen Wright, those guys. Steve Martin's old
Mitch
stuff.
Back there.
Mitch Hedberg.
No? What's this for then?
Because he loves him. Everybody loves Mitch Hedberg. Stephen Wright is fantastic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Ridiculous. One of my favorites. But yeah, I really admired those guys, and so I do it. Got my running shoes on. Pretty exciting. I'm really fast too, by the way. And I can jump really high.
Fast isn't good.
Yeah.
So. Sorry.
I like just got it. I'm a comic. At least I don't get embarrassed easily. Look at how red she is. That's awesome.
So, what have you done? You do the comedy tour. Have you done television, or what's next for you? You're writing screenplays, or hoping to.
Yeah. I'm working on a couple like side projects, like screenplay. I'm trying to get into some other fields in acting, and I was on Comedy Central's Live at Gotham. I did Last Comic Standing.
You were at Live at Gotham. How was that?
Yeah, it was a great experience.
If you can win that place over, I hear you're like in.
It's a great club, and I like always enjoy. Every time I go to New York, I do Gotham, and the show was fantastic. Just like an amazing, what's it called? That word I'm looking for?
It was
time.
Fantastic.
An amazing time.
It was
That's
fantastic.
the word that was slipping my head.
So tell us, what you're here tonight for one show.
Yeah, I'm here. I was here actually last night, did a politically based show, which I'd never done any.
How'd that work out for
humor.
you?
It actually was all right. I just wasn't very good with the political stuff. But then, yeah, we were. But now tonight through Sunday, I'm working with John Witherspoon from the Friday movies. Everybody knows him.
He was Pops in the Friday movie.
Yeah.
No, so you're at the Improv, one show tonight.
Yeah.
2 shows Friday, 2 shows Saturday, one show Sunday.
Yeah.
And then where do you go after this?
I actually have 2 shows 2 weeks in a row in Austin. So my home
Back
base.
at-
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. So and
Do
then.
you get nervous that a mom and dad come and see you?
Oh, I love when my parents come because
Do you heckle them or do you give them?
I am not a dirty comic, but I get dirty when my parents are in the audience just to make it uncomfortable for everyone involved. And my parents are my biggest fan, so it's awesome.
Well, Doug, tell us if we were to go see you, what is your shtick? I mean, do you just tell jokes? Do you talk about life? Do you make fun of people? I mean, what if I come to see you Friday or Saturday?
You come to see my magic. What am I all about? Is that what you're asking?
Pretty much.
Well, what's your favorite movie of all time?
Steel Magnolias.
What's your second? I'm gonna use that as a
Scarface.
joke. It's like Scarface and Steel Magnolias. All that brilliance rolled up in a one ball.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's awesome. No, I
Color
don't.
Purple.
The Color Purple, yeah, there you go. It's all that mixed into one.
Okay, Road
It's like
Trip.
really, and
All
Road
right.
Trip. Wow, you just keep throwing them at me. It's all of that, one big ball, but just hilarious and ridiculous. And it's like really just ADD. Like you can tell, I can't pay attention. I'm talking about my beard and then this stuff. I don't even know what this stuff means anymore. This is like I pay attention to something. Oh, baby. I think I kind of know what that means, but yeah, see,
What
I
does
can't
that
focus. I can't focus, like, which is why I'd be a terrible murderer, you know, because like let's say I killed somebody, and then I like run out the door and
You
try
would-
to get away. Like I see they have a trampoline, and then I'm like screwed. You know, I'm like,
'Cause you would jump on
Why
it."
was I here again?
Doug, give us, I'm surely you have a website or a MySpace page. So how can people see your stuff?
MySpace / Doug is funny because no one can get my last name right. So hit me up.
Mellard, how Mellard?
Yeah, but everybody says Millard, which sounds gross, and I don't appreciate it. But Mellard, yeah, that's it. Thank
Well,
you.
Doug, thank you very much for
Thank
coming
you.
here. It's been
Appreciate
a
it.
blast. Remember, one show tonight, 2 shows Friday, 2 shows Saturday,
Saturday,
one
one
show
show
on Sunday
Sunday.
here at the Improv. You got to go. It's a great venue. Have you been there before?
Yeah, it's beautiful. And John
It's
Witherspoon, it's brilliant. He's
It's-
awesome. He's amazing. I can't wait to meet him.
You haven't met him yet?
No, this is
Hey,
my first
your
time.
green room is like as big as a box. So
Yeah.
you guys are going to be really close getting ready tonight.
That's awkward.
That's kind of weird. But you're going
I
to really
have
meet
to
him.
sit in his lap. We're gonna have a ventriloquism act. It's gonna be
I laid
weird.
on that green couch today.
Oh yeah.
By myself, but I did. Anyways, we're gonna take our last break of the, or we're gonna take our next break of the night, and when we come back, it's still all about funny stuff. Thank you very much. It's MySpace / Doug is funny.
Yes.
Improv, go see him. He's hysterical. We'll be back in 6 minutes.